People think technology now as being the Googles and the Amazons and the Apples. Well, technology takes form in many different places. And investing in the mechanization of our business has been the reason we've been able to remain a middle market company competing against multi-billion-dollar companies and held our own. Because we're always thinking of how do we do things better? What is it that we're not doing that can be done? What problems need to be solved? What is the job that needs to be done? And how do you fix it? So, and that can go from, all the way from developing a product like an organic pre-washed salad, which really didn't exist before 2000 or 1995, and say, are we really expecting a person who wants to eat organic to go farm it in their backyard? Hopefully the bugs don't eat it, the bees don't eat it, the birds don't eat it, and then they bring it in and they wash it. I think it's unrealistic to think you're going to go mainstream with people doing it that way. So we were able to work with growers that we had. We were able to convince them that organic was going to be the future. We got them to grow it in scale. We developed a facility that could process it in scale and get it to the people in a convenient, well-priced way where it became a mainstream product. So the entrepreneurial itch can go from improvements in the plant to product development, to developing a new ERP system, to developing people. Ask the question, what is our goal? How do we get there? And how do we measure the progress? I think that's all encompassing of what that entrepreneurial itch is. And it's something that I encourage my son, my nephews, everyone in this business to think about and develop. Because if you can solve somebody else's problem, again, you're always going to have a job.
Luckily, I have some time before I have to really dive into that. But this year, I spent a ton of time working on controlled environment agriculture and sort of seeing how that's entering the produce space and how that has a future in the produce business. So that is definitely something that myself and my cousins are interested in learning more about and interacting with and seeing how State Garden can enter it or just understand it. The other thing is our new juice line is definitely something that we want to really get into. It's like controlled environment agriculture. It's something we see as a way for the business to be more sustainable for the planet. It's a way to upcycle extra product we have, and it's that sustainability for the planet is definitely something that all of us, my cousins, my siblings, myself, are focused on, because it's something that I think my generation as a whole is focused on. And just seeing, like our mission statement, how we can be a better company tomorrow than we were today.